He's got long lead. Be in the game, watching your partner. That's going to be 4 runs. Oh, that's a fabulous shot. He's so strong. A single to finish the over. Oh, no, it's not a single, is it? You look at that, it's in your eye. Oh, really good over. 6 from it. This is a shout, a big shout. He's given him. That is a wicket for the leg spinner. Now, will they go upstairs?
I can see clear gap between bat and ball. No spikes there. I'm satisfied. No bat and ball. Ball track.
Straight. Beautiful shot. One of the rare, well-timed deliveries. Great use of the feet and all the way for 6.
To shots, Fakhar Zaman. Good placement that.
My batters to get, practice if go, have a knock, go play your shots, slot sweep into the gap, and another boundary from Rizwan.
As expected after the 50 options. Hamad, 6. That's a nice shot from Fakhar. Good shot. The placement is good and the power as well. That's more like it. Great to see. And no surprise it comes from Fakhar Zaman. This is a big game.
Out taken. Wide and full and sliced away to point.
It's 129 for 2 now.